Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Insights, the latest addition to Recombee's admin UI. Insights is a powerful analytics tool that allows you to take a deep dive into your data and help you understand how users interact with the recommendations and your product in general. This new tool has a wide range of applications, from verifying the impact of adding a booster to a specific scenario on your KPIs, to checking the revenue generated per brand, or refining your content acquisition strategy based on the popularity of content among your users. Let's start with some examples of insights from the Recombee library of predefined insights. Have you ever wondered which items, meaning the pieces of content or the products, are currently most recommended by our recommender engine? This information is now just a click away. You can also easily identify the top recommended items per each scenario, or from what categories or genres the recommended items are. However, your curiosity may not end here. You might find yourself wondering about which categories are most recommended in specific scenarios, or how users interact with these recommendations. Let's create a custom insight to find out. The simplest way to start with a custom insight is often to duplicate and edit an existing insight from the library by clicking this green button and then making minor adjustments to the settings. For now though, let's create an insight from scratch, allowing me to guide you through the entire process. After selecting Create Insight, you'll need to choose the type of insight, which can range from various chart types and tables to the top items visualization. I will go with a bar chart. Immediately, the editor shows up and I can see a histogram with data over the last 7 days. This histogram represents the number of recommendation requests per day because that is the data source currently selected. For example, I can easily change the data source to the total number of bookmarks per day. Or to the number of detail views resulting from a successful previous recommendation. We can see that successful recommendations account for approximately 80,000 detail views per day in this database across all the scenarios. But what if you're interested in this metric only for a specific scenario, such as Watch Next? That's when the filters come into play. I can apply a filter on the scenario to see only the clicks on this specific recommendations box. I can see that there are approximately 9,000 such detail views per day. Filtering by scenario is just one of the many available options. You could, for instance, filter by an item property like a specific category or genre, or even examine the interactions of a single item or user. Interested in the genres of the clicked items in the Watch Next scenario? Let's add a split based on the item property main genre. I can see that action and romantic are the most clicked genres in this scenario. Applying various filters and splits reveals many insightful facts about user behavior and your business. For example, if I want to know the production companies of the clicked recommended items, I just need to change the property in the split. Now I can see that most clicks belong to movies produced by Columbia Pictures and Warner Brothers. So this was a brief introduction to the Recombee Insights. I hope you liked it and that it sparked some ideas on what data to explore using this tool. There's much more to uncover and explore, and we'll delve into specific aspects of the tool in greater detail in upcoming videos. So, stay tuned.